y'all? It's Mona Coca, and today I'm going to be doing an install, so make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, let's get into the video.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I don't mind. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand?
Okay, so in the last clip y'all seen me braiding my hair. I just took that out. It was 6 braids all together, so now I think it's 12 braids all together because I need a flat foundation. So what I'm gonna do now is put this cap on my head, and y'all know the rest. This is what oil I'm putting in my hair. It's biotin. So then I'm gonna add this. Can y'all see it right? Yeah. It's anti-itch formula, so my hair don't be itching under these braids, child.
All day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long.
I don't want to make this video long, but I did want y'all to see what I'm doing, cause I stepped my wig game up. Alright, so boom. When that's all pushed back, then you get your cap. My eye. My eye. Like that. You can use got to be or whatever the case may be, but I'm gonna use both. I'm gonna come back to y'all when I'm done with this process. Alright, so now y'all want to cut the cap that y'all be doing. It's like, nah, just cut the cap for real. So I'm just using some scissors. Scissor. Hold up. Yeah, see that? It's stuck way down here. My ear. Say now. I'll be back when this is dry.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me you love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. Goes on and on. You give.
Okay, so I'm gonna go I just don't want to mess up. I just don't think I'm going to mess up.
Oh yeah. All day long.
Start the glue. Where my glue?
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist.
So basically, this is what it looks like. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and add just one more layer, and the other layer is gonna be really thin because I don't want it too thick. So yeah, oh, I'm so cute. Want a kiss? No more kisses, okay? But yeah, just get into it. This better look nice. Or one of y'all gonna have to send me a new wig and fight. But I'm gonna come back to y'all when the second layer is dry.
Around, I want you around, around, around.
Make sure it's even on both sides. Then
Come through, I think I need you.
come up like
I
that.
swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you, you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. Really, really wanna run, just wanna get away. Sit right next to you, you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you.
Okay, so now, as you can see, it's giving scalp. But I'm just gonna keep on cutting.
Feel you. I want you.
It's missing. It's missing. Alright, so boom. And then I'm gonna just put some glue right there, set it right down, and yeah. Then I'm gonna come back when all 32 inches is mine. Okay, so this really getting scalp, but I use this black stick, and I'm about to go ahead and finish my hair. And I'll come back when it's finished. So right here, I just curl my edges or whatever, and then I laid them down with mousse. But this is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. I will be inserting pictures and videos to show you guys how my hair turned out, so stay tuned.